Hey, what's up? Ay, ako nga po pala si Sexy Chefy, ang inyong tarot gabay. Ayan, as I promise, at ito na po ang ating account for a reading. So, this is only a general reading for all sciences. Hindi po tayo nagkakandak ng private reading, okay? This is for free, and if it's resonate with you, just hit like, share, and follow me, and also follow my selling account, Gumbok Palapok. Okay, let's start with Aries. Okay, let's start with Aries, no? Okay. Oh, Aries, so nice. This is a nine card spread, guys. Oops. Okay. One more. It's in reverse. Let's see the outcome. Okay. May mga magpaparamdam from the past, I guess, na parang using you, parang reminding you from the past. Pero, andun ka na sa point na nakikita ko dito na andun ka na sa point na you don't care about the past. You are rooting for abundance. Really, 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 really rooting for abundance. Okay. Parang, countable yung nangyayari. Parang always reminisce ka sa mga nakaraan mo at ito yung best revenge na mangyayari at magagawin mo sa buhay mo for the week. Parang it's a best revenge na, oy, look at me now. Ganun ang tag mo dito. Look at me now. Look at me now. Parang ganun, no? The challenge here is, kapag naaalala mo kasi yung mga nangyari nung nakaraan, nahihirapan kang mag-move forward. So, parang ito yung ganting api, ganting salakay, ganting gusto mong ipamukha sa'yo. I suggest na you need to move forward on that instances or pangyayari sa buhay mo. Alis ka doon, then there's something the outcome na parang, okay, you need, parang kailangan mong mag-isip ng tama or magdesisyon ng tama batay sa naiisip mo at gusto mong gawin. Because there's always a two of swords and two of wands, decision making ito. No, parang to achieve abundance, sobrang to achieve the abundance na mangingibabaw ba yung galit ko or mangingibabaw ba yung decision ko para magpatuloy at salaminin ang mas magandang hinaharap. So this is the only general reading. I hope it's helped with you.